Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set default operating system in dual boot Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To set default operating system in dual boot, right click on start menu, click on run. In run, type msconfig. Now click on OK. System configuration file has been opened. Click on boot tab. Here I have three operating systems, one Windows 10, another one Windows Server 2016 and another one also Windows 10. Windows 10 is now default operating system and this one is the current operating system. I want to set the third one as default operating system. Select desired operating system and here you will find an option set as default. Just click on set as default and look, now the default OS has been changed. Click on apply, then click on OK. You need to restart your computer. Click on restart. After restarting your computer, the default operating system has been changed. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.